Hey there folks, this is David Rush back with another Guinness World Records title attempt for the most t-shirts put on in 1 minute, team of 2, which is why I've got my wife and lovely assistant Jennifer here. The record to beat is 31 t-shirts put on in 1 minute, team of 2. They're all crew neck, so no v-necks, no button up, and they gotta be pulled below the waist. They gotta be pulled below the waist to count. And so, we're ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Stop. Stop a little waist. And come on! Yes! Well done. I can't reach around here.
Mouth to mouth, on camera or off camera?
That's exhausting. All right. Got you. Got it all on. Below the waist. On camera, so.
So the first one did not count.
This one didn't count because what?
Commercially available t-shirts.
1, 2, 32. 32. Good work. Come on!
Come on!
Peter, do you say come on? Mom doesn't say that.